Hello everyone, my name is Bhargav. I want to tell you about 3D modeling and designing. 3D modeling is a process of developing a 3D representation of any object with the support of special software known as CAD software, which means computer aided designing software. 3D modeling is used for creating characters for such as games, films, animation, and also used for creating prototypes for buildings in architectural purposes and as well as fashion design too. 3D modeling is used for designing simple to complicated models that are used in day-to-day life. Some of the tools used for 3D modeling are Autodesk Fusion 360, PILabs, and Tinkercad. Let us see how I made a hourglass using the 3D Autodesk Fusion 360. This is the design area where we create sketches and models. Few tools are here to create models. Create sketch tool is used to make 2D models on the design area. Extrude tool is used to convert 2D into 3D. Fillet option is used to smoothen the edges of the model. Insert tool is used to insert any picture from one model to the other model. When we click on a particular tool, we get a properties panel on the right hand side, and then we get a projects panel on the left hand side where we can open and save it. Let us see how we design an hourglass. First, we have created a sketch and then we revolved it and shelled it to make it hollow, and we had made a hexagon on the top of the surface to make it and extrude it and mirror it on the both sides, and we had made another sketch and revolved it to make it an hollow cylinder, and we had changed the appearance of the hourglass. This is how we designed the hourglass. Thank you.